Hey friends, if you wish to install Realtek Audio Console in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Realtek Audio Console in the Bing search bar, and then you can go to the Realtek Audio Console website. Or you know what, I'm doubtful about it. So do one thing, so open google.com instead and hit enter and then search for Realtek Audio Console here. Download it from Realtek's original website and not any brand website. Okay. Now scroll down and click on the download button for Realtek. Accept this and click on download this file. You'll have to enter the captcha. Okay, and you know what? After entering the captcha, it will only give you the zip folder which you will have to extract and install later. But I will guide you through the process to install the zip folder. Okay, it's very huge, 400 and something MB, and it will download very slow. So leave it in the background, and once it is done, you can open it and install the software. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.